the Medical Minute, bringing you up-to-the-date medical knowledge for healthier living.
Good morning, everyone. It is 7:25 on your Monday morning. Time again for our Medical Minute. Today, we're talking about infectious diseases with Dr. Mark Winton of Bozeman Deaconess Hospital. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. First up, can you give us a status update on how influenza is doing right now?
I'll talk about seasonal influenza and then H1N1.
Okay.
Seasonal influenza, we typically have a peak of influenza A around late December, early January, and that hits us about the same time every year with about the same severity. The H1N1 as a new strain doesn't have that seasonality, so it's out there all the time.
Okay.
So we're seeing it circulate around through the country all the time through the winter, spring, summer. And it hasn't had that seasonal pattern yet.
Okay, so people maybe need to be thinking about it year-round at this point.
Pretty much.
Okay, what can someone do to protect themselves from both H1N1 and the regular flu?
There are vaccines for both of them now. The H1N1 vaccine is available, and for this next season, it's going to be incorporated with the regular seasonal influenza vaccine.
Okay.
But we are seeing more cases in Gallatin County with the H1N1, so we still think about it.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. And I imagine you're still recommending people get both shots?
Both shots,
Okay.
both
And what
the
about
seasonal and the H1N1.
And anything different for children?
There is a different vaccine for children that is an intranasal spray that avoids a shot, and it's very protective.
Okay. Anything new or different that you're studying or seeing with influenza this year, or patterns?
Well, the H1N1 doesn't really have a pattern yet. We've seen that the seasonal influenza hasn't really hit us very hard this year. It looks like the vaccine for the H1N1 has been somewhat protective for the seasonal influenza.
Okay. Dr. Mark Winton, thank you for talking with us about influenza today. That does it for today's Medical Minute. You can always find more health news by logging onto our website, kbzk.com.